David, give us some mods in this black truck, because I don't think anybody can see the difference.
Well, you know, there's actually a lot of a difference on black Tonic here. Newest build done here at Truck Customs. On this truck, we have a 4-inch Cognito lift. Paired that up with the Fox 2.0 shocks. We paint matched the upper hood piece here and the lower piece on the grill. Also paint matched this part here. Lots of paint matching on this truck. Won't go over absolutely all of it because we'd be here all day. But this is also paint matched. We went with 24 by 14 Tonic. Those are KG1 forged, hence the name of this truck, Black Tonic. Wrapped that in 33-inch Venom Terra Grappler tires. We also got color matched mirrors. Coming down the side of the truck, we also went with color matched door handles. But check out how wide this dish is. I can almost sit in there. Coming around back, we're gonna have tinted taillights, black GMC badge, and to finish it all off, look at that custom Stewart Customs tip.